Hi, I'm Lauren Taylor, and I'm a family law attorney here in Charleston, South Carolina. Today, I'm answering a couple of frequently asked questions that we get here at Lauren Taylor Law. The first thing is, how do I actually get divorced? Well, here in South Carolina, there are 5 ways, or 5 of what we call grounds for divorce. The first is habitual drunkenness. This means that your spouse has been habitually drunk and it is the cause of the breakdown of the marriage. Typically, to prove this, we have to show either rehab, 1 or more DUIs, evidence of alcohol abuse, or testimony from family members that have personal knowledge of this habitual drunkenness. The second cause for divorce is desertion. Desertion would mean if someone went to Europe or Africa and you had no idea where they were, you didn't hear from them ever again, and you had no idea where to reach them. The third ground for divorce is adultery. This is the one we often get a lot of very specific questions about. Adultery in South Carolina is proven through showing both opportunity and inclination. That sounds easy enough, but trust me, it always gets more complicated than that. The fourth ground for divorce is physical cruelty. A lot of people often confuse this ground with mental cruelty. These are not the same thing. To show physical cruelty, we would usually use police reports or hospital records that demonstrate a long pattern of abuse that has inevitably contributed to the breakdown of the marriage. The fifth ground for divorce is the most common. This is when the state of South Carolina will grant you a divorce if you have lived separate and apart from your spouse for 365 days continuously. If you have reconciled with your spouse during that 1-year period for even just one night, that clock starts all over again. So that's important to remember. Those are the 5 grounds for divorce in South Carolina. Contact me at Lauren Taylor Law to get more details in answering your specific questions, or find us online at laurentaylorlaw.com.